Hey everybody. I cannot be there this morning because I'm at a meeting, but Miss Traeger is there, so you're going to have an awesome time. We are going to keep working on what we were working on yesterday, which is converting fractions to decimals. And yesterday I tried to give you a strategy for doing that that made you answer two questions before 10, before you do the problem. Um, and by the end of the time, I was feeling like this because half the people were not using the strategy. By the end of the today, I want to feel like this. How will I feel like this? Is if before you convert any fraction to decimal, you answer these two questions first. Question number one, whole number part. What I mean is, will there be a whole number part? Question mark. So the two symbols you might possibly use for this question are, yes, whole number part. So you would put down a W. If there's not going to be a whole number part, then you put a D for decimal. Then you still need to answer another question before you move on. The second question is, can I use a shortcut? So can you use our shortcut method where we use powers of 10 to change the fraction into a decimal without using division? So if you can use the shortcut, you'd write an S. If you can't use the shortcut, then you're going to write a division symbol because that will tell you that you're going to use division. So let's do an example problem. If I'm going to convert 3, let's do this in black. If I'm going to convert 3/4 to a decimal, first question, is there going to be a whole number part? Well, look over here. Is this a mixed number? No, there is no whole number right here, so it's not a mixed number. Then look up here. Is the numerator bigger than the denominator? No, it's not. So there's no whole number part in this. So I'm going to write right here D, because this is a decimal. It's a terrible D. D, because this is only going to have a decimal answer. Second question, can I do a shortcut? Can I use the shortcut? Can I turn 4 into 10 or 100? Well, I can. I can turn 4 into 100 by multiplying by 25. So this problem, before I do it, is going to be an S. It's a DS. It's going to be only a decimal. I'm going to use the shortcut. So here I'll finish it. 4 times 25 equals 100. Do it to the top. 3 times 25, 75. This fraction is called, what's that, Alea? What's it called? No, you didn't raise your hand, so I can't call on you. Joe, do you have your hand up? No? Okay. What about Jacqueline? All right, Jacqueline, how do you say this fraction? That's right, 75 hundredths. How can we write 75 hundredths? 0.75. Last place is the hundredths place, so that's 75 hundredths. Now I'm going to look back at my symbols. Do I have a decimal only answer? Yes, I do. There's no whole numbers. Did I use the shortcut? Yes, I did. Now I'm done. So, one more example problem. 32 sevenths. First question, is this problem going to have a whole number part? Well, is it a mixed number? No. Is the numerator bigger than the denominator? Yes. So this fraction is greater than 1. So it's going to have a whole number part. So W for whole number. Second question, can I use a shortcut? Can I use a shortcut with 7? Can I turn 7 into 10, 100, or 1,000? No. So this is going to be a division problem with a whole number part to the answer. So I need to make this into a division problem, and I'm going to tip it over. 7 is my divisor. 32 is my dividend. How many 7s go into 3? Oh, wait. D, M, S, D. Divide. How many 7s go into 3? 0. How many 7s go into 32? Well, let's figure it out. I think it's 4, because 4 times 7 is 28. So that was my multiply step. I'm going to subtract. 2 take away 8, can't do it. This becomes a 2. This becomes a 12. Oop, that was a 13. So this is 12. 12 take away 8 is 4. 2 take away 2, 0. So I have a remainder of 4. Can't have a remainder because I want a decimal answer. So I'm going to put my decimal point here. Put my 0. Bring my 0 down. 7 goes into 40. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract 40 minus 35 is 5. Put a 0 up here. Bring it down. 7 goes into 50. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. So 7 times 7, 49. Subtract. 50 minus 49 is 1. Put a 0. Bring it down. 7 goes into 10. 1 time. I've gone to 3 decimal places, so I am finished. And my answer is 4.571, or 4 and 571 thousandths. All right, so you've done 2 examples. The only example I didn't give you is for a problem that is a mixed number, like this, 3 and 1/3, let's say. And if you were going to do this first, you would say, well, yes, there's going to be a whole number part because there's already a whole number here. Is this going to be a shortcut problem? No, it's not, because 3 cannot be changed into 10, 100, or 1,000. So this one would be a whole number part and a division problem. And the way you do that is you just put the whole number right over in the answer. And then we know there's going to be a decimal part. So then I have to do 1/3. I tip it over. 3 is the divisor. 1 is the dividend. And then I would do that problem and put that decimal answer right in here with the 3. All right, this video is on YouTube, so if you need to watch it again, you're not understanding, you can go there and get it. Right now, Miss Traeger has 15 more problems that she wants you to circle on your paper. If you haven't finished the first 15, finish those first. If you have, do the second 15. I'll see you tomorrow.